Hello, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. In this video I share with you how to make soft chewy dinner rolls recipe. This is a must try dinner rolls your family will enjoy. It's super soft and delicious, and I hope you like and enjoy this recipe. So please don't go anywhere, and please, if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to be part of this amazing channel and for more amazing recipes. Give me a thumbs up, share, and also comment down below what you think about this recipe. So let's get started. I will also be listing all the ingredients in the description box below. So I have here 4 cups of plain flour. To it I've added a tablespoon of yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter cup of sugar. I'll mix it well to incorporate. Next I'll go ahead and add 1 egg. And I'll start by adding 1 cup of warm milk. I'll be using electric mixer for this recipe. Just in case you don't have the electric mixer, you can go ahead and use your hand to mix. So I'll start by kneading it on a low settings, and I'll gradually increase the speed on high. So I'll continue by adding in half a cup of milk. So in total I use 1.5 cup of warm milk. Next, I'll add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and I'll continue to knead it until it's well incorporated. And at this point it's done kneading and has separated from the mixing bowl, so with the right texture as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer it on its floured surface. I'll cut and divide into 15 pieces. Next, I'll go ahead and roll it into small balls, and I'll continue the process until it's all done. And once it's done, I'll transfer them on a baking tray on a parchment paper. And at this point they are nicely arranged, so I'm going to cover it and let it rise for about 1 hour. And at this point it's nicely done and ready for baking. So I've already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and brush the top with milk, and once it's done I'll bake it for about 15 to 25 minutes until it's nice, soft and golden. Thank you so much if you are watching until this far, so please continue to watch until the end. To my new and returning subscribers, thank you all so much for supporting my channel. So please kindly subscribe if you haven't done so, and be part of this amazing channel. And at this point, it's done baking. It's looking beautiful, soft, and my kitchen is smelling so good. So I'll go ahead and brush the top with some butter. And I hope you are enjoying this simple and delicious dinner rolls. You can make this for your family, and I promise they will love it. So don't hesitate to give this a try. This dinner rolls was very nice, and my kids enjoyed them. Homemade fresh dinner rolls. Just look at these beautiful dinner rolls. Very soft, tasty, chewy, and very simple to make. Fresh, simple, and soft dinner rolls or milk bread. If you like and enjoy this recipe, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and also share. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a blessed week. Bye.